Everyone, it is currently the 23rd of November. We have an abundance of cold air coming in from Siberia here today, and it does look like we're going to be getting some pretty decent snow across most of Japan as we head into the 24th. That's a Thursday morning. Right now, actually, on the satellite imagery, I do like starting off with this because you can get a clear idea of what's going on. We have those northwesterly winds, that classic sea effect snowfall really dominating out here, and it's been dumping all day across the mountains of Honshu, definitely off towards Hokkaido. Places like Otaru have been getting an abundance of snowfall. But the big thing I'm watching out for is as temperatures drop, we have another low developing down here towards the south. The big thing is that this high pressure back towards the north, which has been exceptionally cold, it's going to usher in that cold air, and then once you get that instability with the moisture, and the moisture coming in from the south, not the northwest, that's key because the mountains typically stop it. You're going to be looking at some rain and snow. Yes, snow in the Tokyo area. And really, the rain's going to be starting this evening, but through the overnight hours, starting right around midnight, all the way through morning and into midday tomorrow, we're going to be looking at snow. And that's going to be accumulating. Actually, about 3 centimeters is possible, enough to really slide on. It's going to be a slick morning commute, definitely out there. Western and northern areas of the Kanto region, that's the greater Tokyo area, is even going to be seeing more than that up towards Nagano and Yamanashi, about centimeters out there. Basically off towards Saitama and Gunma, about 5 centimeters, and lower elevations, mountaintops, I think much more than that. And even into Kanagawa, we're going to be looking at about 5 centimeters. That's those of you in the Yokohama and the Yokosuka region, you're going to be seeing some of that snowfall as well. Should keep in mind is that the Kanto area, and specifically Tokyo, not built for snowfall. There is no snow removal to speak of. It's just stay and wait for it to melt. Friday, it will be warming back up, by the way, so it will melt, but travel delays are very likely on the highways, on the roadways. Trains, subways typically fare okay because they're underground, but train systems definitely going to be a slow go. We can see here, actually, let's scroll ahead through Thursday, basically through the overnight hours. That's right around midnight, heading to about 1, 2, 3 o'clock. The snow kind of works its way south. By sunrise, it will be snowing across most of the Kanto area, extending over through Chiba. Rain snow mix maybe down there towards the south along the Izu Peninsula, but if we watch this go ahead, it's going to be snowing all day, 10, 11, 12, 1 to 3 p.m. before it tapers off around 2 to 3 in the afternoon, and things slowly start to warm back up, melting that snow off. But it's going to be a wet snow. Also, good snowball weather. Not very pretty in some of the streets, but I'm sure off towards the north and into parts of, for example, Chichibu, western Tokyo, Okutama, it's gonna be a good amount of it. This is definitely one of those instances where the forecast, I believe, is going to continue to pan out. You have to remember, it actually all started back here towards Mongolia on Monday. Something stood out to me, and that was an area of high pressure, almost record-breaking as far as high pressures go. Temperatures were around -40. That cold surge blasted towards the south, and then we saw that low developing along the southern edge of it. And just with that, it's enough to bring those ingredients together for this type of storm system. As we look ahead into Friday, though, you can see that low kind of moves away, clearer conditions working their way behind it. These blue lines indicate freezing temperatures, so throughout the day on Friday, that kind of lifts off towards the north into the weekend, and we have some warmer weather working its way in. Now that's the lower elevations. Mountaintops, though, snow is going to continue. For example, Kagura in Niigata, probably looking at about 20 to 30 centimeters over the coming week. So lots and lots of the white stuff coming down. All right, guys, that is all for me right now here at westernpacificweather.com. Any questions, comments, or suggestions, as always, post them down in the comment box below. The other thing is, if you do love the snow, kind of like I do, check out TokyoSnowClub.com. Definitely lots of trips coming up, and this snowfall and all this sea effect snow that's taking place right now is very welcome. So we're going to keep on watching out for that. All right, guys, as always, stay safe out there.